Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your hair up into a cute little bun.
Hold up.
So starting off with fresh hair. Remember my old video with the olive green look? I had my hair braided. So I had my hair braided for like 2 to 3 days, and then I unbraided it today, which is the day that I'm filming. It's Thursday. It's 9:27 p.m. June 7th. Anyways, I unbraided it and it looks like this. I love it so much. So we're doing a bun. So the tools that you're going to need for this bun are, of course, like the little bun. I have a brown one. I wanted a black one, but they didn't have it at the store. I have a little pink spray bottle. I have a little comb. I have some Got To Be glue gel. I have 3 ponytails. And I have a toothbrush because I don't have the little edge brush. Yeah. Oh, and I have a brush. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the brush and I'm going to brush out the hair so it can be nice and smooth. So although this is not my real hair, I'm not just going to be rough with it, you know what I mean, because I want it to last. So I'm just going to treat this as if it were my natural hair. So I'm just going to take the brush and I'm going to start detangling the hair starting from the bottom. If only my real hair was this easy to detangle too. Brush it out. I want to get the hair as smooth and silky as possible. Now that everything is all done, now I'm going to try to achieve the ponytail. I'm just going to brush everything back. Where's my comb? Everything is going not according to plan. Now that we have our ponytail ready, I'm just going to go ahead and put the ponytail on. Now I'm just going to take the end of the ponytail and brush it out. Now I'm just going to take the bun and place it here. another ponytail and put that on there. And then I'm just going to take the hair around and twist them. I'm going to take the final ponytail and I'm going to place that on to hold everything. Now, we're almost done, guys. Now it's time. I'm going to take the little toothbrush and I'm going to spray it a few times with water, like this, and then I'm just going to work on the baby hairs now. Now that I kind of played with them, I see where I want to lay them. Then I'm going to take the Got To Be glue gel and I'm just going to place that over it. See that? I'm letting it go.